Are you looking to get your RV repaired? Well, we have one of the best RV repair facilities in the Northeast.
We have a 56-foot drive-on frame machine.
We do all the diesel repairs, transmissions.
Hey guys, it's Izzy from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe below, hit the notification bell, and if you're back for another video, we thank you for joining us. And make sure to stay to the end so you can see why Country Classic stands out above the rest. I am out with Michael and Michael Jr. from Country Classic Auto Body in Wantage, New Jersey.
My name is Mike Cicchini Sr. with my son Michael Cicchini Jr. Next year will be our 40th year in business. We predominantly are an auto body repair facility that happens to do many RV repairs. 75–80% of our business is RV repairs. We do big trucks, tractor trailers, we do fire trucks, school buses. Through the course of time, we have expanded our facility, our equipment, and our technicians' capabilities. We have a full-time carpenter on staff, we have a fabricator, we have front-end repairmen, a very large spray booth with a very talented painter. We also mentor here. We have a number of younger staff that we're bringing into the industry.
So what sets us apart from the rest, we initially started as a auto body collision center, transforming into more of an RV heavy truck repair facility. We take our quality and put it into our RVs and heavy truck repairs. That's kind of what sets us apart from the rest.
So we brought Nelly here last year actually for some body work, warranty work from Newmar. It's again here this year. On my error, I put a dent in one of the bay doors with the snowblower. But there's a couple other things we want to get touched up. The Truma, we're going to have the door painted to match the panel. And then another thing that Country Classic does, they do a leak test. And we're going to talk about not only the leak test, but the other capabilities that they have in this shop. All right, so behind me we have a huge fifth wheel. We are inside one of the bays here, and you guys have been doing a leak test on it. I just want you to explain a little bit what the process is and how it actually works.
So basically what we do is we bring a unit in and we take the ceiling vent out and we hook up a machine that draws air in and creates pressure throughout the coach. There's a gauge on the machine that ensures that we do not over-pressurize a coach. Once we create the pressure that is required, we come on the outside and we take basically soapy water and we start coating all of the seams, all of the attachments, all the roof attachments, lighting, windows, anything that is attached to the coach where there could be the opportunity for water to get in. The machine is going to show us through soapy water and bubbles that there's air escaping. Wherever there's air escaping, that means water can go in. And then we go into our sealing processes depending on when we actually find.
So the test is $150, and what that covers is the leak test itself and your basic sealing. So if we find half a dozen leaks, small leaks, we're going to take care of that for you. If it's anything major, we're certainly going to call you. You'll get a copy of our estimate, which shows that we did the leak test, but you also get a certification that shows the make and model, the VIN number is on it. As far as war stories, I mean, I could name a number of them off the top of my head that, you know, the units were 1 to 2 years old. We actually have one in the shop right now that's 2 years old that has thousands of dollars extensive damage that probably more than likely was leaking from the factory. If this test was done, it was very possible that we could have found the leak ahead of time.
So behind us, we have a trailer that's a perfect example of some other capabilities that you have here. So you have an in-house carpenter.
So this unit is a 2018, had a leak in the roof. That water came down the inside of the unit, mitigated down to the floor, and then extended probably about 6 feet back the side of the one unit. So it destroyed the wall studs, destroyed the floor, and then actually started to go under or above the vapor barrier under the floor and start to work its way out through the rest of the trailer.
So as part of water damage repairs, they can get quite extensive at times, and they can involve slides, for instance. Slide floors, the area around a slide, and so we have the capability of removing the slides, but what we've also developed is not so much the caddy that we put the slide on for the removal. We realize that a lot of slide floor floors have damage and require repair. So we've created a rotisserie that can actually turn the slides 90 degrees so we can have accessibility to the floor repairs, and also the floors that are under a slide. Whatever point in the coach it is, it could involve a bathroom, the kitchens, heating systems, air conditioning systems, wiring. So we had to be capable of addressing all of those things. And with being able to do that, we've hired we have a full-time carpenter on staff. We have an upholstery person on staff as well. So with the talents of everyone, we overlap. Our body guy, our paint guy, everybody kind of is involved in these repairs. It enables us to be a little bit different than a lot of other shops are. Being a body shop, automatically you have to have a spray booth. In doing RVs, we needed to have a very large spray booth. And while we're not so much known for overall paint jobs, we certainly are in the collision industry with RVs. And these things do happen. So we're fully prepared, we're fully outfitted to do any type of collision repair, suspensions, body repairs, fiberglass repairs. And this one just happens to be that the paint was delaminating, which is a fairly common problem on the nose caps of these things. They get a lot of weather from driving, a lot of sun. And so this one in particular is here for that. Trees will come down on top of coaches. The roof trusses may be compromised. And so we have to actually manufacture our own trusses here, as well as water damage in walls, for instance. We'll build in our wood shop a replacement wall. We'll use the old one, what's left of it, as a template. We'll build a new wall and install it. At certain times also, again, when it involves cabinetry, as we've mentioned before, this is the area that we will now try to remanufacture or duplicate what was in the coach originally. Not in all cases is it possible to do exact reproduction, but that's where we get the customer involved and we figure out what their needs are and how we can accommodate them with our capabilities.
So behind us is our metal fabricating area. With parts availability, we found a need to be able to make a lot of our metal parts. So that includes J-wrap skirting, a lot of the compartment basement doors on a lot of your Class A's we have the ability to make ourselves.
Along with that is a lot of the coaches are aluminum framed. And when the aluminum frame has been compromised, we need to section, re-weld, remake a wall or a section of wall, a corner of wall. So we make all those studs here, prefab them here, and then install them on the coach. So now we are in more of our truck repair facility. We have a 56-foot drive-on frame machine that we were able to do 40-ton simultaneous pulls. Once we're done doing frame straightening, we go on to our 40-foot alignment lift, which is required. Once you do a frame straighten, you need to be able to do alignments. In our collision repairs, we have to be able to do suspension repairs and up front end work as well. Where does that relate to RV? Well, RVs that are driven also can sustain those types of damage. And again, the thing that gives us a leg up is we have the capability of these large truck repairs, which allows us to do RV repairs much more easily. We do suspension repairs, replacement, upgrades, and measuring.
So we partner with Country Classic Auto Body, and we do all the diesel repairs, transmissions, driveline work, brakes, suspension, anything to do with the mechanical aspect of things. Mike and those guys do all the body work and all the cosmetic stuff, and then we handle all the mechanical repairs. Anything on a diesel engine we can take care of, internal, rebuilding, replacing, computer programming, transmissions, all that stuff, no problem. Anything to do with gasoline engines, we don't really mess with. We can do services, oil changes, basic maintenance, tune-ups. So we can still do any repairs here on site between Mike and me. If your RV comes here, between the two of us, we definitely can take care of it.
So here at Country Classics, we live by a motto that my father had taught us very early on, again, at opening at 19 years old. He told me, no matter what business you're in, son, as long as you do a quality repair at a fair price and stand behind what you do, you'll always be successful. And that has taken us into our 40th year in business. I've instilled that in my son, Michael, as he takes over the reins here at Country Classics. And we always want to live by our catchphrase, which is, you are driving home our reputation.
So thank you, Michael Sr., Michael Jr., for, again, taking the time out to show us this facility for us and for the viewers. If you are interested in contacting Country Classic, what's the best way to contact you guys?
Our phone number is 973-702-3333. Our website address is www.countryclassicautobody.com, and our email is info@countryclassicautobody.com.
You could also find us at Facebook at Country Classic Auto Body, and you could also find Faber's Garage at fabersgarage.com, and he is also on Facebook as Faber's Garage as well.
So we're going to put all of that information in the description below. In the comments, let us know if you're interested in checking out Country Classic, or if you've been a customer here. We can tell you've been a customer. They are great. They live up to their standards. To the left of us, we're going to put our RV DIYs as well as our RV walkthrough tours. And for myself, Michael and Michael, MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.